Hey, what's up, my brethren? Listen, this is my Tesla Slayer exciter coil circuit. Recently constructed it. It's a fantastic little thing. So how I did it was, I got this fantastic image from this guy off the internet. Cool dude, thanks. And what we have here is we have our secondary coil, the primary coil wrapped around it. And then we have transistor, light emitting diode, resistor, power source, and a switch. So have a look at that. Now from that, what I did was, here's my list of components I set up and I did myself here. So here we have a NPN 2N2222 transistor, resistor of 22 kilo ohms, 9-volt power source, switch, primary again 4 to 5 turns, secondary 550 turns. One end of the secondary is connected, as you can see right here, to the base section, along with the light emitting diode, which is connected between the emitter and the base. The end of this switch is an interrupter circuit, so as you can see it just goes between the emitter and the voltage source. And the base connects into the primary and the collector connects directly into the primary. Okay, so have a look at that again. Now, what I did was I constructed put all of the components on a breadboard and tested it. So here we have transistor, resistor, connection wire, everything. Now, hooking it up to a power source is over here. And that fella goes there. Dial in 9 volts on the power source. Okay, there we go. And then switch off this light, switch off this, and get my trusty little fluorescent bulb, switch on the circuit, switch off my flash. As you can see, here we go. Power circuit's on. Nothing happening with the light bulb, and boom, here we go. Tesla's magic. Further away I get away from the discharge, light goes away. Closer I get to the dome. Again, it's easier to use a dome to get this effect. Now, just a point of note that you might want to know about. When you're building this circuit, the first time you do it, it may not work. And the reason why is that you may have your connection on your primary reversed. So if it happens that you have this set up and this fella doesn't come on when you do this, don't get frustrated. Just turn or just flip these connections around and then go again. And then you will have this. Cool. Thanks for watching. That's my Tesla coil.